So here we are with journal question choice 1 from week 5. And choice 1 says, a student is asked to write a polynomial for the expression 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 3. The student's solution is 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 3 plus 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 3. The student then goes on to combine numbers that can't be combined. He combines the like term, saying that 7x plus 3 is 10x. That's not true. He or she also says that 7x plus 3 is 10x. That's not true. So the student made an error here by combining like terms. The teacher says it's not correct because it's not correct. Now this is asking me to write the correct polynomial expression. So, if the expression is 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 3, there are a few ways I can do it. I can do double distribution, or my favorite to do is the box method. The box method, I'm going to take my first binomial expression and I'm going to write it across the top. Going to include my sign. I'm going to take my second polynomial expression, write it across the side, and include my number. 7x times 3x is 21x squared. 7x times a positive 1 is 7x. Positive 3 times 3x gives me 9x. Positive 3 times 1 gives me a positive 3. I now take all four terms and I put them in a row. And I can combine these two because now I have like terms. So that gives me 16x, and my 21x squared comes down. And that is one way, or the box method way, of getting my solution. Okay, now I'm going to use double distribution to write the polynomial for this expression. In choice 1, I showed you how to do this by using the box method. In choice 2, it's telling us that we need to use double distribution. So let's go ahead and set that up. I take my first expression and I break it in half. So now I have 7k and I have minus 3. Then I go back and I take my second expression and I write it not once but 2 times. Once here and once here. Okay, and now it's just a matter of distributing. 7k times 2k, that will give me 14k squared, plus 7k times 7, that gives me 49, oops, sorry about that, a little hard to write on this thing, 49k, and I have negative 3 times 2, that's negative 6k, and negative 3 times 7 gives me negative 21. I can combine my like terms, which are these two. 49k minus 6k gives me 43k. And on this end, I just bring down my 14k squared. And my final answer is 14k squared plus 43k minus 21. Okay, finally we have choice 3. So Karen, Jessica, Sarah, and Maritza went to lunch. Oh, so 4 people went to lunch. 4 people went to lunch. They each had a hamburger, which cost $3.50. and a Snapple iced tea, which cost $1.75. How much was their bill altogether, not including tax or tip? Well, 4 people each had a hamburger, which was $3.50, and they each had an iced tea, which was $1.75. I can either distribute first, or I can combine what's inside first. If I combine what's inside, I get 3.50 plus 175. It's 3, 4, 5. So now I have 4 times 525. I have a 4 because each person, and there are 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, had a hamburger, which was $3.50, and a Snapple iced tea, which was $1.75. So now to find out how much their total bill was, I need to multiply 525 times 4. So my total bill was $21.